So welcome back again uh, to the Biztekk tutorial video. So I just realized in the previous video I wasn't able to show you. I skipped the part of adding a new item before going to adding a sale. So I think that is what we need to now today in this video. So once you click on the menu, once you've logged in, immediately you'll be redirected to the dashboard once you open the menu. So I'll just show you on the mobile, since that's the easiest. You can be able to use Biztekk on your mobile phone, on your tablet, if it's your iPad, your business, your work tablet, or you can also use it from the computer. So uh, any device, we got you covered. So I'll just go ahead to just go straight into today's agenda, which is adding a new item. So I'll just show you the in-depth what we have in the different menu items within items. So under items, we have three options. We have the setup screen for adding a new item category. We have the item setup, which is basically for adding the new item, and we have the items list, which is basically a report of all the items you have within your company or your business. So first thing I'll just do is go ahead and click item setup, so you can be able to add a new item and you can be able to see it on the list of items. So you can call that a code which you can use to search the item. So this is, let's say for example, you have an item which has a unique code branded to it. Let's say it's a cloth which has a tag. You can use this unique code here, which this is basically this basically helps in indexing uniquely in identifying the item, the product within the system, and making it easier to search. Let's say you have like 5,000 items, so you just type in a unique code there. Maybe you can call it you can say elite toothbrushes. Once you add the name, you can select the category. So currently there's no category for toothbrushes. Maybe you can put it under toiletries, and I don't know if it actually fits there, but you can just use that category for now. But I'll show you how to add new categories. Then you have the item type, if it's a product, a stock item. This basically if it's a tangible item, and if it's an intangible item, which basically is a service, can be able to select that it's a service. So if you add item type as service, you won't be adding the variant details. But if you pick a product which is a tangible physical product, it will now prompt you to add the different variants for that new stock item that you want to add. So just proceed to the next field, image URL. So basically if you want to, maybe you want to, as you know, Biztekk also, you can be able to generate your online store from here and be able to broadcast it to the customers and converse with them one-on-one on WhatsApp. So for the checkout process, so we have this option for adding the image URL. Maybe you've uploaded your products somewhere else, so you can be able to get that URL and append it here, and Biztekk will be able to resolve that this URL is mapped to this product. So for now, since we haven't yet uploaded the toothbrush, so I'll just go ahead to the retail price. You can say the retail price is 150. You can give it the discount price is basically the last price for this item. You can say 100, and the credit price, I can say it's 200. Let's say someone has to take it on credit, so you can put sizes for this product. This is basically the variants for this product. Maybe we can say we have, we can just say small, medium, large toothbrush. Then we can say blue. For blue we have size small, we have 1, medium we have 8, large we have 4. So we can add a different variant. Maybe we have yellow toothbrush, we can put 4. Then medium size, we can say they're like maybe 1, and we can say they're like 7, yellow. So once you've added the different variants, so you see it makes it easier. You don't have to add the different items separately. You just add the item generally, give it a general name, like let's say the brand name is elite. You can call it elite toothbrush. You can also add the code here, so it just makes the item more searchable when it comes to point of sale. So once you add the details, the nutrients, it will give you a small preview window where you can be able to find the information. Once it's okay, then you can go ahead and save the item. Once you click save product, it's going to load, saving. Give it a few seconds till it updates the database, and in a few it's supposed to be done. Yes, voila, very good. So product has been created successfully, so you can be able to view the item from the point of sale section. So for the items category, you can see here, you can view the list of all the categories you have for the different items. So for example, we have cooking oil and toiletries. So let's say we want to create a new category, like maybe soaps. So you can go ahead and create new category. You can see category has been created successfully. You can go and confirm from the item setup, and you can see we have the new category that has been added. So you can always add as many categories as you want. This helps when it comes to the reporting side. You're able to view how each item is performing, and you're able to extract that successfully. So I think for the items, once you've added the item, I forgot to show you the items report. As you can see, we have the different options for exporting, and you can be able to export as an Excel file or as PDF. When viewing the items list report, you can be able to include the inactive items. Click the refresh. So the UI, this is, as you can see here, I'm on mobile, so you can use either your phone. You don't have to go and use your, and you don't have to keep changing devices when using Biztekk, so you can always use it on any screen size. So that's one of the big advantages that you have. You can be able to generate the reports. So as you can see here, we have a few items which I've already added to the store. As you can see, we have the remove from store, the elite toothbrushes. So if I try to add it, I have to add the URL because it needs to have a picture so that you can be able to broadcast it. So as you can see, add an email URL before publishing to online store. So yes, so we can always be able to edit the item. Once you click edit, you can be able to change the price. Let's say the elite toothbrushes have changed. Yeah, you can always be able to adjust the stock from here. Let's say you have you've restocked some items, so you'll be able to restock that, and we can go ahead and save. So I think up to there we're good. You can be able to bulk upload items. You don't have to fill them one by one on the system. Let's say you have there's a option to download the CSV, so basically it just guides you. Let's say you want to upload the items, and so once you click download, you're going to get the template format which you need to fill in that format so that the system will know how to collect the information. So once you download it, it'll just show you the different columns. You fill it. Then once you fill according to the data that you have, you just align with the structure, the way the columns have arranged. And once have been arranged, so once you're done, you just come and click upload CSV, and you'll have all the items listed here. So yeah, we know some of you are working with heavy spreadsheets, and you might need help to migrate that information. So we got you covered. We have all that sorted. So once we begin the process, we can be able to begin the data migration process so that we have all your items listed. The system can handle as many items you have on your store, so that won't be an issue. So I think with that, I can call it a day for this. Yeah, see you in the next video. Have a nice day.